Hi everyone. This big box has arrived. This is the online order that I made through the Hermes website. I mentioned in a recent video that I had placed an order. It hadn't arrived yet, so I couldn't show you with my other Hermes unboxing video, but now I can open this. It is very, very well packaged, so you can probably tell it's something fragile. Let's see if I can do this without fumbling. All right, I've got two big bubbles of packaging. So let's open this one first. Well, let's get them all unwrapped actually, both of them. Okay, there's one. And there's two. Wow, very well packaged. Okay, these are pretty sizable boxes. So I'm going to open this one first. More packaging. Aha! Here it is. I have been eyeing this design, this teapot. You guys know I am a big tea drinker. I'm not really into coffee, although I will drink it from time to time nowadays. But I really enjoy tea, especially herbal teas. So this is from the Saut collection, S-A-U-T, which translates to the word leap, and it's very equestrian. You can see on this side here, you've got a sketch of a horse. And we all know that Hermes has an equestrian history, and I had shared a while back that personally I love horses, and I used to ride horses when I was in college. So there's a little bit of connection there. And I just felt like this was very whimsical and playful, but also timeless. Like I won't get sick of it. I love this rounded shape. I had considered 3 different teapots, but I really like this one the best. I put a poll on my Instagram. There was a Dior teapot and then one from Wedgwood as well. And they were all really lovely, but ultimately I decided to go with this one here because I like the overall look of it the most. So here it is on the bottom. And it comes with this as well for loose tea. So what do you think? Let me now open this larger one here. And I think you can guess, it is part of the same collection. So I got the matching saucer and teacups. And these are not like the dainty little teacups. I love the size of these. So looks like so in the palm of your hand. Again, I really like this shape, and the design is simple but playful. Here's the matching plate. What do you think? There are other pieces from this collection that I'm also eyeing, but I thought I would add them little by little, and I wanted to see this in person first to see if I really liked it. I actually like it more in person, so I'm glad. So you can see everything came well packaged, no issues, nothing broken, no chips. I have ordered from the Hermes website in the past, and I will say that they will over package everything so that it's quite secure. If you were ever hesitant on ordering fragile items like tableware such as these, I would say rest assured I've never had an issue. Again, here's the bottom. I do apologize, the lighting is not great. It is later in the afternoon. I just picked up my delivery and I was so excited I thought I would just unbox it in real time with you all. So this is my first time seeing it. Obviously, I had to go through all of that paper to get to this. And I have actually guests coming over later this week, so I am excited to try this out for the first time. And really, I got this for myself. I mean, I will of course use this when I have guests over, but I really just wanted a little bit of a treat whenever I drink tea on my own. I like to drink tea in the mornings, sometimes in the evenings as well. And this kind of sets the mood. It also is just a little bit of a delight when you set a table for yourself and you really slow down and you don't rush the process, right? So everybody needs me time, and tea time for me is when I tend to wind down, especially at night when I'm reading a good book. I like to have a nice hot cup of tea. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you've ever ventured into tableware from Hermes or anything in the home category. What are your favorite pieces, or is there anything that you're eyeing? There's this one specific piece from this collection that is super adorable. It's got a lid, and I think I'm going to order that next. But again, I'm going to take my time. I just hope that it doesn't, go out of stock or anything like that, because sometimes when you are trying to get a collection, certain pieces go missing, certain pieces go out of stock when they sell out, and then you have to wait quite a while to, find it again. So these pieces actually my sales associate at the Hermes boutique did not have in stock, which is why I just went ahead and ordered them online. So can you just imagine? Ooh, welcome to tea time. I wish I could invite you all over one at a time for a quick little chat at my home. Wouldn't that be nice? Anyway, this is a quick little video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.